Welcome to the complete starter's guide for the new NVIDIA app on your PC. Download the new NVIDIA app at nvidia.com/download/NVIDIA app or click on a link in the description to get to this page. Download the installer and follow the install wizard. If you have the GeForce Experience app installed on your system, it will ask you if you want to upgrade to the new NVIDIA app. Click Upgrade. You can then agree to the license agreement, proceed with the installation, and the NVIDIA app will open up automatically. You'll be asked to select a preferred driver. Choose between the game-ready driver, optimized for gaming, or the NVIDIA Studio driver, which is tailored for creators. You are not required to log in with an account to change the NVIDIA app settings to your liking. Once installed, head to the home section of the application. You can see a preview of your installed apps and games in the library section. And below, you have the option to install NVIDIA apps such as NVIDIA Omniverse, GeForce Now, or FrameView. When clicking on See All next to your library, you'll be brought to the graphics section of the NVIDIA app. Here, you can manage the in-game graphics and driver settings for each game or application on your system. When selecting an installed game, you can use the recommended performance to quality value or change it manually. You also have the option to automatically optimize all games installed on your PC when clicking on this small verify icon on the top left. On this pop-up, click Optimize, and it will take a second to apply all of the new settings to your programs and games. Under Global Settings, make general adjustments to all newly installed programs on your system. This could include enabling low latency mode. This will limit the frame queue to 1 and might make a big difference when gaming on your PC. In the Redeem section of your NVIDIA app, you'll find redeemable game items associated with your account or graphics card. When this is done, we'll take a look at the NVIDIA app settings. Under System, you can preview your system information. Enable features such as the NVIDIA overlay in the Features settings section below. I'd suggest enabling it and playing around with it for a bit to see if you will continue using it in the future. You can also use the game filters and photo mode, which would allow you to take in-game screenshots in photo mode. I prefer to keep the automatically download drivers option disabled. You also have the option to open the NVIDIA control panel directly from here if you need to make more customized changes to your settings. Toggle notifications on or off in the Notifications tab, and then you can launch a game to see how you like your new NVIDIA overlay. The default key to toggle it is Alt and Z. From the left side panel, you can choose from additional settings. Enable instant replay, access screenshots, photo mode, change microphone settings, preview statistics, and change your hotkeys. It might take a few tries to get used to the new interface, but I already prefer it to the old one and to the Windows Game Mode one. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.